Well, welcome back, everybody. Peterson Farms in Nashville. This is Phil here. This morning I went out to get to my truck, go to work, and a little indicator on my dash came on. Looked at it, and then 4 tires came up, and it was showing my left rear flashing. It was like at 50 pounds, 50 psi, and normally it's supposed to run 80 psi and above for this Ram 2500 diesel. So I stopped, paid $2.50 for air. Unbelievable. But got to work. It held most of the air. It was about 70 psi down from like almost 80 when I pumped it up this morning. Got home, pumped it up with some more air, and thought I'd try to find the leak myself, which I do quite often. But this is a glass cleaner, and you'll see you just spray down the face of the tire, and if there's a leak, it'll bubble up. So I was spraying around, and lo and behold, not gonna leak now. Lo and behold, let's see. Ah, there. Look at that. So you spray it down, you can see it bubbling up like that. Right there. You can even hear it. So this is the best way to check for leaks. And this is a small one too. So I really don't see anything sticking out of it. So I'm gonna go ahead and, normally I don't take the tire off, but I'm not sure about this one. I'm gonna go ahead and take the tire off and make the repair that one. Got the tire off, as you can see, and got the jack, got jack stands underneath it. Always be safe. Never rely on a hydraulic jack if you want to not hurt yourself or kill yourself. I've had friends have their trucks come down on them just using a hydraulic jack. Wasn't a great outcome. Anyway, not to be morbid here, but let's locate that leak again with the handy dandy great value ammonia free glass cleaner. As you can see, it's bubbling there. We'll go ahead and spray the rest of this down, just make sure there's no not seeing nothing else. So yeah, that was the only place. Of course, you gotta be careful because I've had small leaks sneak up on me before. It didn't show up or appear right away. That's a little bit of a hole there. Don't know what punctured it. Yeah, there might be something down in there. We'll prod something down in there after we get the proper tools. Man, that sucker is long. Wait a minute. Wow. Unbelievable. That might be it. What is that? Yeah, there's more down in there. What is that? You can see it down there. Gotta do some surgery here. Okay. Well, we've gone and done it. So use one of these abraders, especially when you get the part out, or if you need to push it through any wound. Usually, you can get this thing in there and ready to drill, or take the air pressure down. It's gonna do it all by itself. Alright, so as you can see, I got the patch in. See? Stop the leaking. Now all you do is once you get down there so far, you just yank it out. It's got two little prongs there, and the end is open. So you put that patch on there. Like so. Stick it through there. A little sticky, but you may get the idea. Stick it through there, thread it like a needle, and then when you get ready to put it in there, you just push it through the hole like so. It comes out about right there, stop about there, twist, and you just rip it off because of that little opening at the end there. This has saved me many miles of walking and many dollars spent on tire repairs. And before you say anything, yes, I realize I need new tires, but I need to get just through another week, and then I'll order me some new tires. You find a razor blade, preferably, then you just cut the excess off. Or a knife if you got a sharp enough knife, because this stuff is pretty tarry. Like so. Alright. That is sorta the way you patch a tire that has received a nail in it. That stuff will wear off. You've got whatever, that much in the tire itself, doubled over. So now all there's left to do is we'll check the air pressure. I'm sure it's going to be pretty low. I like these handy dandy digital gauges. Zero it out, put it on there. So it is at 70.5 pounds, about 10 pounds lighter than where I want it. We'll get some air in it, get the truck or the tire back on the truck, and call it a day or a night in the case of this. So anyway, I ain't saying that's the best way or was the easiest tire I've repaired before, but it did work and saved me money, time, and not being on the side of the road until I can get some new tires. So till next time, Peterson Farms of Nashville signing out. Phil here, and hope you all have a great evening. God bless.